Hey guys, and welcome back on our final episode. I know I kind of broke this up into a lot of episodes, especially the last three. I tried to make a little bit shorter than the others. So please let me know if you kind of like the shorter videos or if you kind of want longer done videos so you can kind of get everything in one, or if you like it kind of broken up into more of a series. Today, super simple. And it will be the easiest thing we have done in the whole entire coding experience for this game. And it is the play again functionality. It is very, very, very simple. And basically, what I want you to start with is this def restart right under the master window area. We're going to do def restart window.destroy and play. Play is not defined yet, so this won't do anything yet, but just get this going. And then we're going to come back down to that the outcome area, def outcome. The previous episode we worked on bad word. The one before that we did scores. This one, all I want you to do is add this replay game. You can see it's master's pop-up, so we want it to be all like this. Play again. Lambda is going to be pop-up.destroy and then restart. Row 4, column 0, column span 3, 10, 1, all that good stuff. Once when you have this, that is the hardest part of everything. Will it do anything right now? No. But what we're about to do will help. So after we scroll back up to the top after that, after word stock, what I want you to do is all we're doing is adding the def play. There's going to be a little bit more tied to that, but if you want, now put your cursor just under def play, and we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. We're going to shift and click so we get that main loop too. And for Mac, I know it is the command button and right bracket. I think for Windows it is control and bracket, but if you do command and right bracket, it bumps everything out one indent to the right. You can also indent doing this or dedent doing that. So you can come up to format and you can find those options here as well. And if you show you, that goes back to where I had it. And if I go to indent, it'll do that. So now everything's indented in this def play. So it's like it's almost all in that play function. If we ran this right now, nothing would happen. You wouldn't even see the normal screen because we have not initiated play. Although I wish this was it, there's just a tiny step that we need. So if we ran this right now, you will see we will get some errors. Enter is not defined, and that is just not a real word. And you get this real ugly look at your screen. Since everything is going to be part of the play function, that means we need a global for everything. So that one specifically called out enter, but if I did just enter, it'll like enter the variable. So it really just wanted me to do this. But that is not everything it needs. So my best advice for this to go smoothly is you're going to go down to every single definition that we have, every function, and you're just going to paste the global. It doesn't matter if there's duplicate words, and you can space it. So global, that was the first one, that was the second one. I just do this to kind of help with line. Highlight this one, copy. Just makes life a little bit easier. And then we just keep going down. I know I'm scrolling pretty fast. Just make sure You can go through the longer way and just kind of keep running it until it doesn't give you an error, but if you just take a little time and we already have row and column, I know that for a fact, so I'm just going to skip that board position one. We're going to scroll back up to the top, and I believe this is the last one, and we're going to dump that. We're going to hit a save, and then all you have to do is run it. Let's see the word we get. Spoon. You see we get the normal board, excuse me. Start with irate, nothing. Modus, we get a couple. Slept, and then let's say I hit spoon. We get the pop-up, we get bad word, check scores, play again. I can check score. Redacted words is 3. I've lost 1 time. And then all these different stats. And then we can hit play again. And it just pulls up this board again. And you see it gave the new word, tried, not tired, I'm tired. Irate. We can do tired. And you can see all the letters are in there. Let's go ahead and we'll lose this one. So let's just do like hello and hello. You see we get the loss condition. The word was tried. You lost. You got bad words. You got check scores again. You can see this one up to 2. And then we can hit play again. And a new window opens. And you can see mimer is now there. I don't like the word mimer. Mimer. So I'm just going to hit the bad word functionality. Again, this takes like 10 years for it to recognize that function. But that's really the extent of Wordle. I hope you guys enjoyed the series. Really, it's as simple as that for the last step. It's just the play again functionality. And I use that for most of my games. You can even use it for the previous series for Yahtzee. Highly suggest you just try that out for yourself. But yeah, this is what this looks like. Please let me know what your thoughts. If you have any questions or anything in the comments, let me know. Happy to answer it. Do a afterthoughts video if you want, just so I can answer some questions or anything like that. But I hope you enjoyed the series. It's been fun making it, and I'm not sure what game I'm going to tackle next, but I'm sure it's going to be something good. Maybe Minesweeper, maybe Colorful, and then I have a fun one for later down the road that will be a big project, but it should be pretty fun. But awesome. Thank you guys for your support. Again, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me know that I'm doing a good job in providing you guys with stuff you want to watch. Awesome. And have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys.